Gillen's automatic bobbin core changing device. It can be installed in different brands of pattern machines, knotting machines, template machines and other automation equipment. The device can automatically detect the margin of the bottom line and automatically replace it. It is suitable for a new production mode with one person, multiple machines and automatic customization. It solves the problem of workers changing the bottom line frequently and greatly improves the production efficiency.